Okay. Okay, hello Morgan.
Oh,
Where's your laptop?
I am trying to log in right.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Can I start now, Morgan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I will share my screen. Okay. Can you see my slide?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You look so tired, Morgan. What happened?
Mm, I don't know, just tired in general.
Oh,
Nothing much though.
okay, okay. Let's let's back to this topic. Okay. Today we'll learn about object-oriented programming. Have you hear it before? Heard about OP,
Mhm.
object-oriented programming? Have you?
I have not heard of that before.
Oh, okay. So, maybe it will be new for you. Okay, okay. An object is an element of reality that has certain characteristics and can perform any action. Uh, as you can see here, there is a rabbit, car, and then laptop. Here's the example of real world, real world objects. Okay. Each, each of these objects stores the required information about itself uh, and can perform some action. For example, like this. Uh, we have rabbit, turtle, and fish object. Rabbit have feature speed 50. 50, and then for turtle, speed okay, like this. Turtle speed 1, and then for fish speed 30. Okay. And then also for rabbit have method run, turtle, crawl, and then for fish swim. Just like that. It's same. Like variable, and then for this one, same as like function, right? It's for variable, and then it's for function. Okay. Uh, a property is a variable. If I say features or property is the same. Features are same as property. Is a variable placed inside an object, and a method is a function placed inside the object. Here's the object, and then here's the function, and then we call it method. Also for this one, it's property variable placed inside an object. So each object have different speed, as you can see here, like this. But they have same variable, right? Just like this. Uh, Assessing properties and methods just like this: object dot method, and then object dot property. Okay. For example, like this, we have car here. Uh, the feature, the variable, as we know that car have color. For example, like this, the color is yellow, and then body type, sedan, transmission, automatic, and etc. Also for the function, but for in object oriented we call it method. We have get start, move back and forth, turn to the side, and then uh, etc. Okay. A class is a universal template for creating an object. As you can see, like this, a class is an object created according to the description program in this class. Uh, as you can see, we have a car class, but for the instance, we have like fun, sedan, and so on, etc. Okay, and then uh, A constructor. Maybe I will explain it later. Okay. Creating a class in Python. Class is a command that creates a class. Self current class object. Okay, I will skip this part. Let's go to the, for example, like this. I have class Ghost. Here's the construction. Constructor. Wait, constructor. This part. Constructor. Constructor. Ah, def init. As you can see, we have two underscore before and after the init. Initialization. Ah, init. Just write init. Self. And then for the like as I said, like variable, like features, self the nickname, self color. Uh, and here's for the method, print self nickname fits you. Okay, and then next self nickname is the color Pac-Man. And then want to play with it. Okay, it's okay if you don't understand about this. Uh, let's see the object. Uh, we will create the object using variable character like this. We call the class. We call the class, and then directly fill the nickname and the color. Okay. Let's say the nickname is Blinky, and then for the color is red. Okay. And then when we call the print info function like this, when we call the method print info, it will print self nickname Blinky greets you. Blinky is red Pac-Man. Want to play with it? Just like that. Okay. If you still don't understand, I will copy it. Okay. It's clear for you, the font? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. We have class here named Ghost. Here's the constructor. We have nickname and color here. When you create an object, just call the class, and then inside the bracket, just fill the nickname and the color, as same as the constructor. Nickname, color, nickname, color. Okay. Just see for this part. Okay. Just ignore for the self. Just ignore the self. Just see the nickname and the color. So here's the nickname and the color. Okay. And then when we print info of character print info, it will print self nickname. What's the nickname, Morgan?
So nickname Blinky.
Blinky. Greets you. Blinky is
Red.
Pac-Man. Want to play with it? Understand, Morgan? Okay. I will screenshot it so you can see for the example. Okay. Any questions so far, Morgan?
So far, no.
Okay. Let's start number 5, lesson 1, number 1, classes. Okay. You can start to share your screen, Morgan. It helped for the first question, Morgan?
Wait.
Okay. Okay, good job. Okay, next. You can see your meeting chat for your reference, Morgan. It's okay. 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 Mhm. Those object has no attribute print info. Ah, okay, wait, Morgan. Just little bit mistake. Just little bit mistake. Okay, I will give you a clue. The method should be inside the class. The method should be inside the class, not outside the class. The method should be inside the class, not out the class. Okay, Morgan, where is print info method? Where is print info method? Print info method. It should be inside the class. So you need to move forward the def. And then, okay. Okay, orange. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Tasks, color nickname, color nickname, color. Color of the character, nickname. Wait, character pin info. Hmm. Hey, why the solution is like this? Okay, I think there is no problem with it with your code, but uh, the solution make me uh like confused. Okay, you can revise as the solution. Okay, you can see your meeting chat, Morgan. Okay, you can see your the meeting chat. But I think your code before is okay. There is no problem with the code. Let's try make it move backward. Same as the solution that I said to you. No, no, no. For this part is okay. Okay. Just like that. Just print info. Just print info, Morgan. Just print info. Okay. 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 That's right. Okay. Let's start with creating the print info method, Morgan. Okay. Write the code for the print info method. Okay, that's print info. That's right. But you need to make it move forward, and then don't forget with the colon. Yeah. Okay. And then enter. No, 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 no. No. Uh, okay. Enter from this line. From this line, enter. Okay. Let's create this template. Nickname and then self dot nickname and then color of the character self dot color. Self dot nickname. Okay, and then Okay, and then okay, you can delete this part. Okay, so we have list now. Inside the list, I mean the item of the list is object. So we have there are 4 objects. Okay. And then we must call we must check if the name in the I mean that the name that we input is in the list or not, like that. So we need to check for character in characters. Hey, characters using S. Then colon colon, yeah, if character dot nickname dot nickname. I think there is empty space. Okay. Is equal to name. Yeah, okay. Colon. The colon. Okay. Just print. I mean character dot print info. Okay. Print info. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Wait, I will check it. Character print info. Per character in characters. Wait. Nickname, color of the character. Okay. 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 I think we can skip for the last part. Okay. I will stop your screen. Okay. Let's back to the next chapter. Okay. New topic. Knight and Dragon quest. Okay, let's say Knight and Dragon text quest. The essence of the quest, the knight goes to the dragon's lair to fight him and take his treasures. On his way to the lair, the knight encounters Rascal. The knight engages in the fight with them. The knight gains experience for defeating a Rascal. His armor and the power of his strike become stronger. But in the fight, the knight can die and not reach the dragon. Ah, What are we going to do? We'll create the hero class. We'll create the hero class, and then we'll describe the class fields in the constructor. We'll set the class method, and then let's create instance. And the last one, we'll program dual. Okay, as you can see here, we must create a hero class. And then for the properties, for the feature, we have character name, health level, armor, striking power, and the last one is weapon. And for the function, I mean the method, there are uh, two methods here. Display information and then strike the enemy. Strike the enemy. Okay, just like that. We have Richard. And then for the level, armor, striking power, and the weapon. Just like that. Okay, we create the hero class. Name, health, armor, power, weapon. From this part, from this line, any problem, Morgan? From class into self weapon.
Not so far.
Okay. And then for the print info, just like that, print info. Don't forget with the self. Okay. Don't forget to add self. But you can ignore it. Name, health, armor, power, weapon. Name, health, armor, power, weapon. We not use the self. We don't use the self. Okay. Just the rules that we should add self here. But I don't know why. Okay. And then you need to create two object, I mean two hero for the Richard and then for Helen. The health, weapon, armor, striking power. And then for the strike, just like this. Strike and then self name, attack enemy name. As you can see here, we need to add the other object. Okay, and then it will return the enemy name. Here's for the self weapon and then enemy armor. Enemy is object, Morgan. Enemy is object. Okay, but in this case, the object are same as the hero. Okay, the hero class. So the I mean the enemy still have name, Helen, and then the enemy still have the armor. Okay, because enemy use hero class, same. Okay, just follow the step later. When describing an attack, we refer to the property of the attacker, safe name, and to the properties of the attack object, enemy name. Just like that. These for the rules. Okay. So your code should be like this. Class hero and then constructor, print info, and then the last one is def strike. We need to add the enemy, the other object, the enemy. Okay. Hero, here's the part how to make the object. The knight is Richard, and then the Russell is the Helen. Okay, and then knight, strike, Russell. Knight, strike, Russell. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far, Morgan? Or any questions so far?
I believe not.
Okay. We can start. Okay, you can start to share your screen, Morgan. Let's see the hint on the task. Okay. Class hero. Yeah. Okay. Just bracket. Okay. Colon. Empty space. Div empty space. You need to add empty space. Def empty space in it. Okay. And then we need there are three features. There are three variables. I mean five. Oh, three. I mean five. Just call the feature without I mean self comma. I mean self comma, sorry. My bad. Yeah. Uh-uh. Yeah. Uh-uh. Mm-mm. You forgot with the colon.
No.
Okay. You need to make it move forward. Mhm. Self name, name. Ah, okay. Please make it move forward. The method should be inside the class, Morgan. The method should be inside the class. Mm-mm. Yeah. Okay, that's good. But why you always forget with the colon, Morgan? Why you always forget the colon? Yeah. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yeah, that's right. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay. Mm-mm. Okay, you can use character one. Mm-mm. Okay. Mm-mm. Ah, that's good. For the Raska, we still use the class hero class again. So you don't need to create the class again. Just use the same class for a second character. Mm-mm. Yeah. Okay, that's wrong. Ah, okay, good. Okay. But where is this part, Morgan? Where is this part?
Hmm?
Create the hero, Helen, create the hero, Richard. You forgot to call print info function method. Yeah, yeah. Character one, first character. First character. Your object is character one, right?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Mm. Ah, okay, good. Can you add empty space here, Morgan? Okay, let's add
Oh,
print here. Just print. Okay, so what should we do? We must create print backslash n for new line. Ah, you can add the empty. You can enter from this line. Okay. Ah, and yeah. Okay. Good. You just need to add a method again. Strike here. Just make new method from hero class. Nah, strike. Don't forget to add self and then the attack the enemy and then the enemy. The colon. No. Self, comma enemy, and then the colon. Ah, hey, that's good. Print. Okay. Print. Is it enemy or the knight? Knight or asshole? Okay, you can use enemy.name. Ah, okay. And then attacks self.name. You can directly add comma as usual, like this. Add comma for separator. Attacks. Where's text? Attack. The okay. self the name, self. Mm-mm. The separator. Richard is self the name. I mean like this. Mhm. Using self or enemy, self or enemy. Ah, okay. Okay, we can skip for this number. But is it clear for you, Morgan, how to make the
Mhm.
class, the constructor, and then the method, the property, feature, and etc. Is it clear?
Mhm.
Okay, Morgan. Uh, Sorry to say, Morgan, but time's up. Because after your class, I still have another class again. So can I skip the lesson now?
That's okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Morgan. I think
Okay.
you continue your lesson, but okay. Anyway, just see on Monday, right? Monday at 8 o'clock p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. See you next week and bye.